Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can download and install Google Docs into your phone. Google Docs, as the name implies, is used to create documents and also edit documents. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can download and install this into your Android device. But in case you're using an iOS device or you're using an iPhone, don't need to bother about this. I'm going to be leaving a step-by-step procedures on how you can download and install the Google Docs into your iPhone. So guys, if you want to know how to do this, make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first step that you have to take now is to go over to your Play Store. So guys, let me tap on my Play Store. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see I'm on my Play Store. The next step that you have to take now is to tap on the search icon. You can see it there at the top left corner. You can see the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, here now the next step that you have to take now is to type in Google Docs. So guys, let me type it in, Google Docs. Then what you have to do now is to tap on search or enter. You can see it down below. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can see the Google Docs right there. You can see there, that's the second app. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it so you're going to see it clearly. So guys, now you can see the app there, Google Docs. So guys, now for you to actually download and install this app, what you have to do now is to tap on install. You can see it there, the arrow is pointing at it. But before I go ahead to do that, let me go ahead now to show you guys what you need to know about this app. So guys, you can see here, this Google Docs for Android has a star rating of 4.1, which means people are actually saying good things about it. And let me scroll to the left again. So guys, can see here it has a downloads of over 1 billion. That means over 1 billion persons are actually using this app in their Android device. So guys, now you can see where it is written about this app. Let me read what is written there. It says create, edit, and collaborate online with Google Docs, part of Google Workspace. So it's a part of Google Workspace. So guys, now let me go ahead and tap on install. You can see it there. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it has started downloading. As it stands now, it's at 16%. Let's just wait till it gets to 100%. So once it's done downloading, it's going to start installing automatically. So guys, let's just be patient. Let's just wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see it has gotten to 100% and it has started installing automatically. So let's just wait for a few seconds, like I said. So guys, now you can see it's done installing. So what you have to do right away now is to tap on where it is written open. You can see the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see the Google Docs now is now opening. You can see what is written there, Google Workspace. So let's just wait for a few seconds. It's going to open. So guys, here you go. You can see now I'm on my Google Docs. So guys, now for me to actually start a new project, what I have to do now is to tap on the plus icon below on the right hand side. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what is written there, creating document. So guys, now from here you can start creating your document. You can go ahead now to type. Let me type in something. This is a tutorial video. So guys, now you can see I've typed in a sentence. You can also copy and paste. Let me paste it something right away. Let me paste what I've copied. So guys, now you can see this is what I just pasted now. I copied it from my browser. You can see. So guys, this is a brief tip on how you can actually use the Google Docs. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can download, install, and also use the Google Docs. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video like this, you're gonna get notified. See you on our next upload. Bye bye, peace.